Hi everyone, welcome to another kind of short video. Again, I am playing in my little Hobonich. I'm trying to follow a watercolor month prompt list and kind of do stuff on the daily. I'm already far behind. I'm recording this July 13th. I think I did 4 days, but yeah, you know, 4 is better than none. So let's try to stay optimistic. And yeah, I think I'm actually, what's stopping me are the prompts. They are a little bit challenging, and yeah, I think that's the problem. So I'm making everything that I can to kind of make things easy for me. And of course, you know, the point in these challenges is, you know, just to have fun, maybe stretch a bit your creative muscles, maybe try some stuff. I just want my pages here to look pretty. I want to play with some watercolors, and you know, all is fair in watercolor month prompts and love and war and all that. Anyway, so today's prompt is picnic food, and I don't do a lot of food sketching. I guess I love food, but for some reason I'm more into just eating it than painting it. So, but I do really love when other people paint their food. I don't know, maybe I should do that more often. So this was really kind of a stretch for me, and I decided I would just kind of copy one of these stickers. These are washi stickers, and they are my absolute favorite to use in my Hobonich. And so I just used one of them. You can see the top one as my reference and just basically copied it. And I'm going to do the same with my color scheme. So I'm using here my cute rainbow palette, as I like to call it, and I can link you below, hopefully I'll remember, to what is in that palette, because I always get questions. It's just my favorite colors. So I'm really doing my best to post quite often these days. Hopefully you're enjoying the variety of videos. There's quite a focus on watercolor since it is World Watercolor Month. But yeah, there's still hopefully enough variety for everyone to enjoy. I did receive yesterday a few new Daniel Smith paints and a brush that, not a Daniel Smith brush, a Da Vinci brush that I'm actually very excited about. So those videos are coming soon. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything, because YouTube sometimes swallows videos, so you might not see when I post. And yeah, I ordered some of the more granulating colors, some of the lunar colors, and they are a lot of fun, kind of more earthy than I tend to go, but I think it's always nice to have like a mix of bright colors and then some neutral ones. Yeah, they are even more on the brownish side. I know, shocking. So that's coming. I also had a moment, and an Amazon moment, and I ordered a couple of watercolor sets. I know. If you watched my video, art supplies that I no longer buy, watercolor sets was on there, but these are a little bit more special. And once I get them and test them, you'll see everything. And they are like brands that I've never tried. Well, one is the Schminke Academy line, which is vegan, unlike their artist grade, sadly. Hopefully they will jump on the vegan bandwagon and yeah, change their formula one day, but I won't be holding my breath, because you know, they have such a long tradition. I don't think that's coming. But their Academy line is vegan. I've never tried it. And they came out with like the summer edition. You'll see it. I think you'll get why I broke my own resolution and bought this. And then the other set is also kind of a uniquely curated set, and it's another brand that I haven't tried and is vegan. So I do want to try as many as I can so that I can recommend great options, because right now, with the exception of Daniel Smith, which I adore, and Core, which if you don't buy the sets, they are extremely expensive, just the tubes, more than I think any other brand almost per milliliter. With the exception of these two, I can't really give a good recommendation for vegan watercolors, and I would like to have recommendations, especially with something like a set that is more affordable and maybe more relevant for beginners or people who prefer just to get a set as opposed to single tubes, which Core right now, they only have the one set, and Daniel Smith have their weird horribly packaged paints in half pans. So yeah. Oh, look, we're almost done. So this was super fast and quick, and fast is the same as quick, I'm aware. My bad. I will see you soon in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye.